Student loan cancellation doesn't mean what you think it means. Here's what you need to know. Will President Joe Biden cancel your student loans? White House Chief of Staff Ron Klain says that Biden could make a decision on student loan cancellation before student loan payments restart on May 1, 2022, or Biden could extend the student loan payment pause. It's possible that this year, Biden could both cancel student loans and extend the student loan payment pause. That would be a double win for student loan borrowers who are seeking major student loan relief in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. However, student loan cancellation may not mean what you think it means. 6 major changes to student loan forgiveness. For example, there's no universal definition for student loan cancellation. This can cause confusion for student loan borrowers, particularly if you're expecting your student loans to get canceled. Here's how it could impact your student loans. Biden will cancel $6.2 billion of student loans. Senator Bernie Sanders, IVT, has proposed to cancel a $1.7 trillion of student loan debt. This includes all private and federal student loans. However, if there is any wide-scale student loan cancellation, it would only be for federal student loans that are owned by the U.S. Department of Education. Private student loans are owned by financial institutions such as banks as well as investors. Since these companies earn money from interest payments, they aren't planning to cancel your private student loans. The federal government also can't compel these institutions to cancel student loan debt either. Therefore, if you have private student loan debt, don't expect any student loan cancellation. Student loan cancellation reduced to $25,000 for student loan borrowers. With new proposal when it comes to student loan cancellation, it's important to read the fine print. This includes the types of federal student loan debt that would be canceled. Only federal student loans owned by the federal government likely would get canceled. For example, this includes direct loans. However, FFELP loans are mostly owned by third-party financial institutions and investors. FFELP loans are backed by the federal government, but they were issued by banks prior to 2010. Since the federal government mostly doesn't own these student loans, it's unlikely they will be canceled. Similarly, Perkins loans are issued by colleges and universities. They too won't be eligible for student loan cancellation from the federal government.